In this video, I'll show you how to share a folder over a network in Windows 11. With this method, you can share any folder from one computer and access that folder from another computer, laptop, or other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi or LAN network. This is very useful when you want to transfer files between two computers or share a folder with another user in your home or office network. So, let's start the process. For this tutorial, I am going to share this folder from this Windows 11 computer and then I'll access this folder from another Windows computer. Now, right-click on the folder and click on Properties. Here, go to the Sharing tab. Click on Advanced Sharing. Here, check the box that says Share this folder. If you want, you can also change the share name from here. This is the name that other computers will see when they access this folder over the network. Now click on Permissions. By default, you may see everyone listed here. If you keep everyone, then depending on your settings, multiple users may be able to access this folder. But in this tutorial, I want to make this folder password protected, so I will remove everyone and allow only one specific user to access this folder. So select everyone and click on Remove. Now we need to add a local user account that will be used to access this folder from another computer. But before adding the user here, we need to create that user account in Windows. You can create the user manually from settings. But to make the process faster, we'll create the local user account using this one command. Here, user01 is the username and 12345 is the password. You can replace user01 with any username you want, and you can replace 12345 with your own password. Now, copy the command. Open command prompt as an administrator and run the command. After running the command, Windows has created a new local user account on this computer. This user account will be used from the second computer to access the shared folder over the network. The good thing about this method is that you don't need to share your main Windows account password. You can create a separate user account only for folder sharing. Now go back to the Advanced Sharing tab. Click on Add. Type the username that you created. In my case, the username is user01. Now click on Check Names. If the username is correct, Windows will automatically detect it. Now click on OK. Select the user account and allow the permission you want. If you only want the second computer to view and copy files, allow only read permission. But if you want the second computer to copy files into this folder, delete files, rename files or modify files, then allow full control. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. Next, go to the Security tab. Click on Edit. Click on Add. Again, type the same username. It is user01. Click on Check Names, then click on OK. Now select the user account and allow full control. Then click on Apply and click on OK. Now the folder is shared with the local user account we created. So when you access this folder from another computer, Windows will ask for a username and password. At that time, you need to enter the username and password of the local user account you created. In my example, the username is user01 and the password is 12345. Now the folder sharing permission and folder security permission are both configured. Next, we need to turn on network sharing settings in Windows 11. To do that, open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Now click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Here, first expand Private Networks. Turn on Network Discovery. Network Discovery allows your computer to find other devices on the same network and also allows other computers to find your computer on the network. Now turn on File and Printer Sharing. This option allows other devices on the network to access shared folder and shared printers from your computer. Now go to All Networks. Here, make sure password protected sharing is turned on. This is important. When password protected sharing is turned on, another computer must enter a valid username and password to access your shared folder. Next, we need to make sure your current network is set as a private network. So go back to Network and Internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. Then click on Connected Wi-Fi Network. Here, under Network Profile Type, select Private Network. This is important because Windows usually blocks file sharing on public networks for security reasons. If you are using an Ethernet cable, go to Ethernet, then select Private Network. You should only use private network mode on trusted networks, like your home or office network. Do not enable file sharing on unknown public Wi-Fi networks. Now your main computer is ready to share the folder over the network. Now let's go to the second computer. On the second computer, open File Explorer. On the left side, click on Network. If the network discovery and file sharing option is not enabled, you'll get this message. You need to just click on it and then select Turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. Here, you will see the computers available on your network. Open the computer from which the folder is shared. If Windows asks for a username and password, enter the username and password that you created on the main computer. If you want Windows to remember the login details, you can check Remember My Credentials. Then click on OK. Now the shared folder will open. You can now copy files from this folder, paste files into this folder, or manage files depending on the permission you selected earlier. Now, if you want to make this shared folder easier to access, you can map it as a network drive. To do that, right-click on this PC and click on Map Network Drive. Now choose a drive letter. For example, you can choose Z drive. In the folder box, enter the network path of the shared folder. You can check Reconnect at Sign In if you want this network drive to appear automatically every time you turn on the computer. Then click on Finish. Now the shared folder will appear like a normal drive in your File Explorer. So that's it. This is how you can share a folder over a network and access it from another computer using a username and password. This method is useful for home networks, office networks, file transfer between two PCs, and sharing files without using USB drives or cloud storage. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.